Dear Honorary Chairman of BTK, Dr. Typhoon Azar, dear ladies and gentlemen, and dear press members. We live with ICT in every part of our lives, but actually ICT doesn't have a long history. There have been a lot of technologies and technology-driven devices, but none of these technologies have been well connected to each other until less than 10 years ago. We call this an IT-driven technology. In those times, mobile devices were only used for communication, TVs were only used for watching TVs, and only personal computers were connected to the servers in the name of client-server architecture. But connectivity has been very limited to certain functions, and also the number of devices have been very limited. But still, innovation was there, but in a very limited scale. Now we are in a different era. Now, information technology combined with communication capability, now called as ICT, is really changing the world and industries. More than this, it's innovating and renovating the industries even beyond your imagination. Communication capabilities is not only connecting devices, but also is connecting people and different industries and different geographies together. Simple examples are here. You can really check emails from mobile devices and approve things wherever you are. So the bad news for you is when you bring your smartphone to your vacation place, you are bringing entire office to your vacation. So productivity goes up, the satisfaction from your wife goes down. You can join a meeting through a video conference wherever you are. You can join a call, video conference from the airport, from the car, and anywhere, so that your business just continues. You can monitor your house, restaurants, and shops remotely through the surveillance cameras with only your smart devices. Not only that, you can browse over your smart TV while watching TVs. You can talk to your friends while you're watching TV. So TV is not just a box to watch, but it's now becoming a device to communicate with someone else. So TV is becoming a tool for connecting people throughout the ICT technologies. I've given you some very easy and simple examples which you know already quite well, but you imagine it and it will be available in your hands tomorrow, because ICT now is not a tool for very complex industries at all, but it is used for every single industry, even for the industries which has not been benefited out of ICT and IT. Samsung Electronics is really leading the industry with innovation to your life. We are leading this industry with innovation at our best. And we believe only Samsung can bring such innovation to life better than any other company in the world, not because Samsung Electronics has been successful in business so far, but Samsung is designed and structured to lead this ICT era now. Luckily enough, maybe. Think about it. Samsung has #1 smartphone and mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. And we have PCs and slate PCs. We have #1 4G LTE network equipment division. We have global #1 smart TV. We have #1 global monitors. We have thin clients, zero clients running on the cloud. We have home appliances which now can be connected, like refrigerators, washing machines, air conditioners can be connected to each other. Samsung also has global #1 memory businesses, IC chips, LCD, LED, OLED, whatever you can just think about as part of the electronic component, which all become part of the ICT and connected devices and the technologies which become part of the connected devices. Smartphones, tablets, PCs, TVs, monitors on the cloud will be all connected to each other. And even beyond that, robot cleaners, for example, at home with the cameras can be used at watching and monitoring home throughout the smartphone very remotely. More and more connectivity will happen as consumers demand and as the industry demand to the vendors and to the scientists and researchers. But more than any, Samsung Electronics has a vision and a dream to contribute to the world by innovating the way education happens via ICT. We are contributing hundreds of million US dollars a year as part of the corporate social responsibilities going into education. But we believe we can contribute to the world more and better by developing and enhancing education-related ICT technologies like new education devices, softwares, solutions, contents, and other accessories as needed for the sake of the school and new education environment. So that even poor people can benefit who could not access to the high level of academic training. So that the people, students in the rural area can access to very high level academic institute via ICT so that they can be given the same level of good quality education. So all the students can be given equal opportunities of good quality education wherever they are, and no matter however their parents can support them financially. This is only possible by use of ICT, and when a government has such a vision to make this happen. Samsung feels a very strong responsibility as a world leader in ICT that we should take the leadership and make this happen as a company which has grown up in a world poorest country only 60 years ago from South Korea. We know Turkey has a vision to innovate the way students are educated. And we know this is the world's first countrywide initiative to bring balanced educational opportunities to the students, wherever they are, and however wealthy their parents are, so that everyone is given equal educational opportunities for growth for the future. Given this is the world's first initiative, this will have a lot of challenges, but we sincerely hope that this big project can be successful so that in 5 to 10 years, Turkey can really benefit out of this big investment and out of the well-educated people. While Samsung believes we have all the assets and we have the experience with it, we may like to be part of this long journey, but regardless of this, this project should be successful because so many people and so many countries are looking at this innovation, and there are so many students waiting for such opportunities which can change their future lives. Again, I hope Turkey can prove the world that new education mechanism enabled by ICT can change the people and the country and the world. Good luck to the project, and thank you very much.